Hello and welcome to the live stream. So hopefully you can hear me. Put it in the chat if you can hear me. But you should be able to see this is the Omega 4 flight computer. And we're going to be building. It says that I have low output quality. Let me check. What to do first is we have to put all the SMD resistors, which are for power channel 1, these two resistors which are for power channel 3, these two for power channel 2. We also have two capacitors right here for the voltage regulator, and then we have a SMD switch up here, 3 resistors for the LED, and then the LED itself. So these are the components that we have to put onto the board today. And of course I can put on some of the through-hole stuff, but I don't actually have all of that. I'm missing the barometer and the gyroscope, but we can do most of it. And the SMD part is the hardest part, so that's what takes the longest. Okay, wait. Hello, the Redstone Hive. Okay. Hopefully the camera quality is not too bad. I just have this blue LED strip in the back, which helps light it up. Okay, so the first component I'm going to put on the board is some 1 ohm resistors. So this is the package right here. And yeah, I'm just going to put these on the board. We also have solder paste right here. I'm going to focus. Solder paste. So I just got these boards today, and you might hear me say boards because I actually got the Omega, the Gamma one for like high altitude rockets, and then I have a launch computer back there. Okay. Okay. Oh, hey, Eddie Robinson. So the first stuff we have to do is you have to put the 1 ohm resistors on the board. And this is going to ship me all these parts. Oh wait, no, I forgot some ESD tweezers. Wait. Right there. Okay. Let's start, and let me look at my easy EDA file so I will know where the 1 ohm resistors are. So I know that we have 3 of them. Or no, we have 5 of them. So I need to get 5 of these, and I actually ordered 200, so I'm safe. You just peel back the tape so I can get some of these resistors out. Okay. So there we go. Just put these resistors on my ESD mat. Okay. Now, since that's all that I need for the board, I'm going to put these back so I don't lose these. Because it's hard to tell what they are if you don't have them in the bag. Okay, let's see. Yeah, Alan, Mortimer. I think that's how you spell your name. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I actually designed some 3D print face masks, but they're not anything fancy. It's just a carbon fiber filter or a charcoal filter. Okay. Okay, let's get the solder paste out, and let's put these on the board. Go back to my schematic so I can make sure. So that one okay. So the top resistors right here are all 1 ohm. I'm gonna apply like the least amount I can to the board. I didn't order a stencil this time, so that's why I'm trying to get like the correct amount on all these pads. Wait, hold up. I need a little bit more. Okay. So we got those. We also have to get the 2 LED ones right here. These and that. Those 2 are 1 ohm resistors. Hey! What is going on? You're gonna be removed from being a moderator. Sorry, everyone. You can't do that in the stream. Okay. Okay. I'm ready to place the components on the board. Wait, it might be a little bit easier if I turn the board like that. Hopefully you can still see it. Wait. I think that should be good. Oh, wait. Wait. I might have done something wrong here. How come these look like smaller parts than what I ordered? Wait, let me look for my other 1 ohm resistor pack and see. That's 470. You're gonna hear me rummage around and try to find these for a second here. Those do. Oh wait. So this is the stuff that I bought. You guys all timed. Alright, now you're back. Alright, let's look. And then 1 ohm resistors. Oh wait, I can just look at the package. Here's the package. Let's see if it says it. Oh no, the correct size, I'm fine. Is that view a little bit bad? Wait. Okay. Is that better? That looks better on the camera. In OBS. Okay, there's one. Don't have the steadiest hand, so this is going to be a little bit difficult. Okay, there's 2. In the future, I could get these manufactured by like a machine, so this could be a lot easier. Okay, that is 3 out of 5. Okay, this. One. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Oh no. Okay, I don't trust anyone now. The people that I have mods are mods. Okay, those resistors are down, so it's time to move to the 470 ohm resistors. And then we'll get to doing the mount. So wait. Okay. So I need the 470 ohm resistors. LEDs. Here, 470 ohm. What is going on in the chat? Okay. Robinson Aerospace Systems, you can be a mod. I have a syringe right here. It's just I'm just putting it on the tweezers so I can like manipulate it better. Open up my resistors. Oh wait, how much do I need? I think I need 3. Yeah, I need 3. So there we go. And these go in this bag. I have a stencil for my older PCB, but this one I was just like, nah, I don't need that because it's like an extra $7 or whatever, so I'm fine. But for some other PCBs that are coming, I will most likely need that. Okay. Okay, we got those. Now let's get the solder paste. Oh wait. Wait a second. Where did one of my resistors go? I had 5 on there. Now there's only 4. I'm gonna have to replace another one real quick. Okay. I should probably turn on my soldering iron so it just heats up. Actually, no, I'm not gonna be doing that for a while. Actually. Hello, international rocket launches. Yeah, buy resistors. That's why I ordered 200 of these. So there's no chance of a catastrophic failure occurring. Come on, how can these stick to the tweezers? Oh, I need more solder paste. That's a little bit too much. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, now it's time to put on the 470 ohm resistors. So let me, and those are for the MOSFET, and these are the MOSFETs, and there's one right here, and one there. Oh, he's gonna be such a bad PCB. Yeah, you guys are alright. I should have ordered a stencil. Okay, wait. Now the last one. I might have to fix some of these pads before I do. Before I heat it up. Alright, so now it's time to place these. Okay. Wait, 6 hours until next, wait, what launch? What launch? International rocket launches. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty good. And the last of the resistors. No! Oh, wait, there. Good, I didn't lose that. Might be a little bit janky, wait. But I need to make sure there's not too much extra. It actually worked pretty well. Oh. Okay, so okay. So I need a 40 ohm resistor. And that should be the last of the wait. Let me get this wrong. Wait. That should be the last resistor. I have to place it on the board. Wait, let me put these back. These are the 1 ohm resistors. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, that one should settle into place. Okay. What is happening in the chat right now? Okay. I need the capacitors. I don't think I ordered these because I had these, yeah. So 10 UF and a 1 UF capacitor. Here. Well, I need to buy some more 1 UF capacitors. I'm almost out of these. Yep, I had the syringe. The redstone hive. The Omega flagmeter will most likely use Euler angles, but I would like to make it quaternions in the future. Oh, hey, Connor. Okay. Well, Euler angles are fine. Unless your rocket's tilting over to 90 degrees pitched over, in which case your rocket will want to have an abort system on it. That's when you see problems. Okay, wait, what was I gonna do? Oh, I need to go to the schematic real quick. So this is the 10 UF, so. Okay, these are 0603 size, so these are a lot smaller of capacitor size. Okay. What's going on? I have such bad steady arms, steady hands today. Okay, there. Okay, so. Oh, geez. These things do not want to stick to the PCB, right? Okay, only a couple more SMD components, which is good. I hate doing this small SMD work without a stencil. This is just so annoying. But it's what has to be done. Okay, and the 1 UF capacitor. Trying to wipe away as much this excess. Okay. Oh, hey, BR Rocket Technologies. Okay, so those I'm done with. So then the last two SMD components, at least on the top side of the board, are the LED and the switch. So let's do the LED first. Yes, Connor, I flipped around the IMU. So I actually need to look at the data sheet on these because I remember that I flipped it. I did it the wrong way last time I made these. Wait, let me go into LCSE. E50 GBOD. Let me look for the LED that I have. It's right there. It is. Look at the data sheet real quick. Okay. And now I know which way it goes. So I'm just gonna put some solder paste on the pads for the switch real quick. Okay. The last little bit right here. Okay. Okay, all of the components look good. Okay, and the last cover paste that I have to apply on the top. There's one component on the bottom, which is the voltage regulator. But that's easy because it's a lot bigger than all of these. Okay. That should be done. Okay, time for the it's time for the LED. Hey, Mr. Fresh. Yeah, we all posted Twitter. Okay, so these are our LEDs. Wait, let me just go to OBS so I can make sure you guys can see these. So these are the LEDs, right here. Down the hall, you can see this. This camera is a webcam. It's not meant to be doing live streams, I would say. So, if you're wondering why it doesn't look the best, that is why. Okay, LED. Let me go to my data sheet just to make sure that I connect this properly. Okay, so I think it goes like this. Hopefully I'm not wrong and I don't have to desolder this later. It should go like that. Just make there's the correct amount of solder paste on each of the pins. Okay, that's pretty good. And if I mess up it, though, when I heat it up, it should fix most of these issues. Eddie, you should definitely do some live streams. Oh, it's early in the morning for you right now, pretty much. Or it's almost noon for you. Okay, and the last part we have to do is this switch. Wait, let me look at the data sheet for the switch. I don't know if you're supposed to order this, so let me just check real quick. Alright, that's how you're supposed to order it then. I already have it correct. Okay, it's time to put on the switch. Wait. Okay, that looks like one of the best things. Okay, we're ready to do the melt, I think. And just look at some of these solder pads real quick before I commit. Okay, so that looks okay on the LED. I'm mostly concerned about the LED right here. Okay. Okay. I think we are ready. Okay. Are you all ready? It's time to do the melt. Wait, let me set my temperature. What temperature is this supposed to be at? Oh my. I completely forgot what temperature. I'm gonna do like 200. What temperature is supposed to be? I forgot. What temperature? This stuff melts at. Wait, what does it say where it melts? Oh, it doesn't say where it melts. What temperature it melts at. It's low temperature though, so I'm thinking 200 degrees Celsius should be good. Okay, time to do the melt. Oh wait, I just realized. How come I have no little thing on the top of my whatever you call it? This thing. How come I was missing this? I had this on it before. I'm just like sliding on real quick. I don't think I have a screw to slide that in. Okay. I might just have to do like this. Oh jeez, this is not good. Okay, then I'll just take it off. Oh jeez, it's hot. Okay. I'll just deal with this then. It's not gonna be the best, but it shall work. Yeah, I definitely added a little bit too much solder paste in some of these. Should be okay though. Wait for these components to just heat up a little. I think my temperature might be a little bit too low. Doesn't seem like it's really reflowing easily. Let me turn it up to 240. There we go. Oh yes, that's exactly what I want to see. Okay. I'll come back and should this look good. VR Rocket Technologies. I don't need more mods right now, but I could in the future maybe. Okay, reflow. Okay, it's actually not that bad. Okay, wait, let me just fix some of these resistors. They're not really liking this too much. Oh geez, this is not what you want to happen right now. This is not. I'll just reflow real quick so that will sit down. Okay, let's get this switch. Yes, international rocket launches. I do make all of it. Well, I don't manufacture it, if that's what you mean. But I design it and send it out to a PCB manufacturer to get it made. Okay, this switch is taking a while. Okay, there we go. It's starting to heat up. Yeah, let me turn it up a little bit more. I think it might have been at 250 when I used to do it. Okay. Yeah, that looks like what temperature it used to be at. Okay, let's make sure all the passing components are on. Capacitors look good. These resistors are reflowing. Okay, this one is completely off. Okay, there, that looks a little bit better. Come on, resistor, just heat up enough. How come this one does not want to do what it's supposed to do? I don't want to destroy the board by heating it up too much. Wait. That looks okay, to be honest. I can come back late. Let me just make sure all the rest are in. Okay, reflow. Okay, that looks pretty good on those. This would help if I had one of those tip things for it. I might have to put one of those on before I do the voltage regulator. Or the next spike meters. 315 for a heat gun? Okay. Well, let me just try 300. Because this is a low temperature, like super low temperature solder paste. Okay, look, this is 300. Okay, it's heating up now. So we're heating these up more. Okay, the capacitors are reflowing and oh geez, wait, one of them. It's hard to see, but okay, those actually look really good right there. And then let's make sure that this resistor that's causing us problems. Okay, there, that's exactly what I want. Okay, Chem, thank you. That actually really helped. this process speed up. Make sure the OED's connected up. I think we're almost done. Okay. I think that was pretty good. Okay. Just let the board cool down for a second. Wait, what is happening in the chat? Wait, Eddie, wait, what are you posting? This board is pretty hard right now, to be honest. Okay, so I have to flip it over. So I have to do one more component on the bottom. Ooh, this needs to cool. Oh geez, that is hot. Okay, so just by looking at all these connections, looks pretty decent. It would definitely look better with a stencil, but that's looks like it's about as good as it's gonna get. Okay, so let me flip it over, put it back in my helping hands. Okay. Oh, Twitter and soldering temperatures. Okay, so let me just move this into view more, like there. Okay, so you could see right here, that's a voltage regulator spot. So we'll do that real quick. Oh wait, let me put my switches back so I don't lose these. Oh geez, this is gonna be a long live stream. My longest live stream was like 2 hours and 40 minutes or something. I'm already like an hour in and I've not even like half finished with one board. Or I'm probably half finished. Anyway. So these are our voltage regulators right here. These are what take the 12 volts input, the 12 volt input from the battery and output 5 volts for the servos and the Teensy. Beat 6 hours. Yeah, I don't know if I can do that, but I can definitely probably do. I bet this is going to be at least 2 hour live stream. Okay, here's a voltage regulator. Okay. Yes, it is. Solder paste suggested that. Is this so right? Okay. Time for the last amount of solder paste on this board, which is very good because I don't like this stuff that much. Okay, get a hefty amount. This is like thermal paste pretty much. Okay. There's a little bit more that we need to do here. Okay, we're ready to do the final melt almost. The final melt down. Okay, let's go. Let's set this sheet up for a second. I'm in the West Coast. In the USA in 7 hours. Like 3 in the morning for me. Yeah, 3 in the morning for me. 3 a.m. Okay, the last and final melt for this board. This might take a while because this does not conduct that much heat. I might need a little bit more solder paste in that one. Okay, that looks pretty good right there. Make sure that we get all of this melted. Oof, it's smoking a little bit. Hopefully that's not magic smoke and that it's fine. Alright, so there we go. Okay, the SMD part of the board. Ooh, geez, that's hot over there. Okay, but anyway, the SMD part of the board is done. And I only have some components left. I don't have all the components for this board, so that's the beginning, but I have the Teensy, which I'll have to go get. I can do the terminal box right now. And then like the buzzer, the MOSFETs. But yeah, I think that's what I'll do right now. Alright, that's a really bad view. Right, there we go. Okay, that looks better. Okay, I think it's time to do the buzzer. The buzzer sits right here on the board. So, my last board, the buzzer fit in the board, but my library was off, so I changed it, and I don't know if it worked or not. Oh, yes! It fits perfectly, unlike the other one. I'm going to update this to a SMD switch. Oh, wait. No, it doesn't tell me what this side is. Ground and hot. So let me go. Is it laggy? Okay. Okay. I should be back though, so I need to look in my LCSD part list for that buzzer. Here we are. Let's see, data sheet. Okay, I need to know which one is ground. Oh no, wait, I need to find it. It really does not tell me. Let's see. I don't want to risk it. I might have to use a different buzzer for my last PCB because I only have one buzzer, don't I? Yeah. Oof, I only have one. And this one is the one with the wrong spacing. So let's see. Okay, so this one tells me which side is positive. Oh, it's not. Oh, it's not that bad. Okay, let me just bend the leads in a tiny bit. Tell me if this is interesting or not, because I don't know if this is interesting to you. Okay, wait. Here we go. How come that buzzer looks a lot bigger than I remember? I don't know. Oh, that's why. I just ordered the buzzer wrong. So the buzzer that I needed, the reason why is because I was trying to get a 6.5 millimeter buzzer, but I ordered 7.62 millimeter buzzer, so that's why. Okay. Okay. So the buzzer's on. I think it should hold itself. Why? Solder. Okay, let me turn on my soldering iron real quick. Let me turn off my hot air. My reflow. Okay, just looking at these solder connections, they look pretty decent for being made without a stencil. Okay. Thing sits down. Okay. Let me make sure my soldering iron is it. What do you guys use for soldering iron temperature? I use like 360 degrees. Okay. There's one. So let me just reflow this real quick. Okay. That's pretty good. And the other one. Well, you might actually be able to see it. Sorry, everyone. Wait, let me just solder this pad. Okay. Sorry, I forgot to put in the helping hands. I don't use the helping hands actually normally. I just use the magnifying glass. Okay. I think you should, Eddie. I have all my files on Thingiverse. It's pretty cool to see actually people build it though. Okay, what other part do I know? MOSFETs. Okay, I need 3. So these are our MOSFETs right here. And we're gonna put these on the board. Okay. Let me just put all the MOSFETs on. They're in the correct orientation. Yeah, they look to be. Okay. I think we're ready to solder these on. Let me make sure that you guys can actually see it this time. Wait, let me go to OBS real quick. Okay, move this up here. So I'm just gonna solder these right here and right here. Okay. Start 1 pin on all of them. That looks pretty good. Oh, the smoke left a mark on this PCB because it's black. Wait. It's pretty kind of cool. me just look at these. Oh wait, I think I had a little bit too much solder on one of these. Come on. Let me just do a reflow. You know, a little bit of a cold joint, but I think they should work. And the last one. So I know INX has one of my 5 meters, so this is what it looks like for me to build one of them. Except it's probably a lot faster. Yes, wait. Okay, I can't break one of these. This happened last time and I was super mad. Okay. Now it's time to solder the rest of the pins. And this. Okay. Dude, I can't get this. There. And there. Okay, that's one MOSFET completely wired. Or soldered, I could say. 2 MOSFETs. And 3. But okay, and this iron's like weird sounds right now for some reason. I don't know. Okay. Alright. What would a quiz be on? Real rockets or metal rockets? Wait. Eddie, you're doing a quiz? Okay. Wait, let me get some pliers real quick so I can chop off the leads. I'll be right back. Wait. Yeah, space trivia is pretty fun. I do that on my live streams, or sometimes when I'm not actually completely working the entire time. Space trivia is pretty fun. Okay, those are done, and these. Okay, last ones. Let me just fix this. Okay. Okay. So we got our MOSFETs on. Okay. So now that, okay, now I need a terminal box with it. Oh wait. I just realized I had a pressure sensor. I actually need to test something with that. Oh, and I also have gyroscopes. Oh, I completely forgot about all this stuff. Okay, that means I'll be able to build more of this. Okay, that's actually really good. I forgot that I ordered all this. Okay, so I'll save that pressure sensor for testing later. I need to buy an Arduino Nano for my launch computer. Okay. Hey, Tyler. Oh wait, you love the PCB design? I like that it's matte black. This is just like the coolest. Yukon built his PCBs matte black, and I see why he likes them. These are like it's just so much better looking than white. I'm probably gonna have it stay white though, because I just want to make sure that all of the components on this thing work, and then I'll make a bigger production version of this. Okay, we're gonna have to do these terminal blocks one at a time. You may not be able to see that much right here, because I need to focus. This. Okay. And let me just make sure. That looks pretty cool. I should have ordered black terminal blocks, but there's no really point because I have a ton of these blue ones. Oh, my fusion for the gyroscope. So right now I'm experimenting with some Kalman filters, like different libraries and stuff. But in my current code, I have just a simple complementary filter that just fuses the gyroscope and the accelerometer together. So yeah, that's what it looks like right now. Okay. Yeah, I will flatten the MOSFETs. But in my next PCB, I'm gonna have the SMD, so it doesn't really matter too much. Like, I could have easily made these SMD right now. I don't see a real benefit. I guess I could though, because I'm gonna need to switch higher voltages for some new secret projects. Okay, so 2 out of 4 terminal blocks are wired. That looks pretty cool. Okay, 2 more, and then we can do like the TVC headers or the gyroscope. Oh, there's only 2 things left to do once we have the terminal blocks in, actually. And then I'll move on to the next, and then I'll move on to the next PCB. Okay, let me do a little more solder. Wait, Eddie, are you building your SMD like meter? Because if so, that's pretty cool. Okay, and that terminal block is wired. Are you talking about your like Rev B, I think, plug meter? Yeah, my fight computer is actually pretty big. My next one's gonna hopefully be smaller than Signal. And my fight computer are a lot more powerful than Signal, but you don't need that much. You don't need like crazy clock speed on TBC. Like 16 megahertz with an Arduino Nano, I would say works fine, but I just like having a little bit more than that. It just helps. I think like 72 or 48 is like the sweet spot. Okay. Okay, and all the terminal books are wired. Okay, so now I can put this back into my helping hands. Go to OBS so I can see. Yeah, that does not look very good. Wait, let me just put these in. Okay. Let me add my camera. I don't know, but it looks a little bit too bright for me. Okay, there. I made it a little bit dimmer. Okay. So we have a couple more things. Okay, now we have to, I'm gonna put in my gyroscope now. So I actually took the time and ordered 2 gyroscopes for the first time, so I don't have to order more when I get the PCBs like I normally do. Okay. Okay, so that. Yes, it actually fits and is not upside down like my previous flight computer. Okay, that looks pretty sweet, like that. Okay. So let me solder this in actually. Right now. I'm gonna solder the gyroscope so let me move my PCB and go away. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty straight. That. Okay. Then I'll just. Oh yeah, here we go. So I have. Oh, oops, dropped it. So we have the. Come on, focus, buddy. Focus. Well, no, you can see what I'm holding. It's the MP6050. I just for the MP6050, I just feel like it's easier to interface with it when it's facing up in the rocket. I just feel like it makes it a little bit easier, but it's pretty much like your preference. Okay. So this is going into the board now. Oh wait, no. Okay. Just gonna try to get this as straight as possible. That looks pretty darn straight. Eddie, what power channels do you use? Because mine, I don't know if we have different wiring or something, but mine work perfectly. Mine output straight 11 volts from the battery. Oh geez. Oh, I have a cold joint. Wait. Okay, there we go. I think I fixed it. Okay. We got the MP6050 wired. That's pretty good. I'm actually going to go on a quick intermission for like a couple minutes, okay? So I will see you then. Okay, bye. Okay, hello and welcome back. So I actually also got my new launch computer, which, oh wait, right there, the Vega launch computer. So this I'll also have to solder. And also, so wait, the last thing I have to do on this board, or I actually have a couple things to do. Let me just like move some of this on the west side, no more space. Okay, so I actually need some female headers so that I can connect the Teensy. Okay. Oh wait, I might have to go back again to get my Teensy. Ah. Okay. Well, I'm sorry if this is annoying because, yes, I also agree this is annoying. But I'm going to be gone for even shorter. I just need to run and go get my Teensy. Okay? Okay. So I ran to get my Teensy. Now this is my old board right here. the Omega MK4. This is the same one that Andrew has, or INX in the chat. Okay. Well, there's a big latency between the actual live stream. Okay. So let me take out my Teensy. Use this Teensy is so hard to take out of this. Just slowly to make sure not to hopefully bend too many pins. Yes, my TVC is steady without the Kalman filter. Because the complementary filter does a pretty good job of filtering the gyroscope values. So this is what the 5 meter looks like without the Teensy. And the Teensy would just sit right here. And it does indeed look a lot better of a board when the Teensy is not on the female headers. But if I do that, I will regret it a lot, because then I'll have to buy another $30 Teensy. Okay, right here. Oh geez. Okay, so I cut it correctly. Which I think I did, yeah. Okay, so that's one. Oh, good. I have enough female headers. I have to order more of these. Where's out? Okay. Right there. I think. Okay. Let's see. Okay, good. They both fit. How many Teensies do I have? Wait. Let me think. So I have this one right here. I also have one on my first flight computer, which is right here. But this is a Teensy 3.2. This board is just like crap. But this is a Teensy 3.2. So that's 1, 2. I also have a Teensy that's directly soldered onto a flight computer upstairs in my bedroom. I think I've had at least 4. Okay, I've had at least 4. I cannot speak today. Okay, so if I put the Teensy in the headers, it will help us actually put the board on. Okay, let me put it back in the helping hands so you guys can all see it more. Okay, wait, let me go into OBS. Right there. So let me just see if I can get this. Okay. I think it's going in. How come it's not? I need more. I think it just needs force. Jeez. This does not want to go into a PCB. I have to get this in. But I can't break this. Jeez. not get this thing in. I don't know if it's like a header problem or what, because it does not want to get in. Let me get some pliers. Let's see. I can just brute force it in. Which is not how you should do most things, but yeah. Oh, that's why. I think one of the pins is bent. You can see there. How did I not see that? But let me put my tweezers. All the pins have to be perfectly straight for this to work. I know, I'm just trying to get it in. Wait. These pins are all bent. I think these pins are just bent from taking it out and of the female headers so many times. Because every time I have to do a switch of the board, I have to take it out. And I was also filming a video, so I just switch between these two. Let's see. Does that all fit? It still says 9 people are watching. Wait, how come? Oh, wait. PCs. Let me plug in my computer. Oh, there. No, what is happening? Just charge. Wait. Okay, there it's. Okay. How do you think that your TVC will do in flight when I launch it? I have no idea, to be honest. My voice is really low. Tell me if it's like really quiet. You shouldn't have to change your code for that. If you just replace it with a Teensy. Oh no, my computer fans are kicking on. You might be able to hear all my computer fans. Because I'm also trying to run Blender because I'm rendering something right now, which kind of sucks. Here, I can just turn up the sensitivity on the mic. Audio input. There. Tell me if you can hear me better. I raised the audio by 5 decibels. So tell me if it's better. Jeez, I'm still trying to get this Teensy in. I don't know why, it just doesn't want to go in. Okay, it's better. Let me try to at least get one of these headers in. Jeez. Okay, I'm just gonna do this a different time. No, actually. Okay. I'll do the Teensy later. The last thing I can do is the headers. Wait, where is I had some. Where did they go? Oh. Mail headers. Get some. Okay, so here's the mail headers. Maybe not that interesting, but. Yeah, I'm trying to be careful. Just a little bit hard. Okay. The worst thing that happens is that I break one of the pins, like snap it, and then I'll just resolder it. And that's the end of the video. Okay, there's one. And 2. Okay, so got my TBC headers. Okay, this board is taking a while. Okay, I might have to get some tape for this. Wait, where did I have tape? I had tape right here. Okay, this will help hold it down. So, Andrew, for the grid fins, they printed out, or I've printed like 3 out of 4 of them, or 2 out of 4, I think. Wait, yeah, 2 out of 4 of the new design. And it's been taking a while because my printer was not extruding, so it wasn't putting out any plastic, or it was putting out like barely anything. So I had to spend like 2 days of just straight work on it. And so I haven't been that active on Discord either. But I finally got it to print really nicely and so the prints look a lot nicer than they used to also. And I'll probably hopefully finish your griffins tomorrow, and the griffin holder will be probably finished soon too. So should be done soon. Okay, I just put these back in the helping hands. I'm ready to move on to these other boards. Wait, just make sure that I get the pins, and I need some solder. Oof, this is a long stream. Okay. Save this tape for later. Okay. So I did 2 of them, so I have to reflow these actually. The joints looks pretty decent. Oh, it's melting the plastic a little bit. So that's not exactly what I wanted, but I'd have to do. Okay, right. This one's a little bit weird, at least. I can't get this pretty line. Okay, that looks pretty good right there. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna start the rest of these pins in. Okay. Here's the TBC headers. Okay. So this is as much as this board I think I'm gonna get done tonight. Okay, so there we go. Got most of it done. The rest so the last stuff I have to do is get the Teensy, which I'll have to figure out a way to force that in, and then the barometer. which I'll have to use female headers for because I'm not spending $15 on, or I'm not spending like $30 on 2 barometers. But what do you guys want to do? Because we can either do the high altitude flight computer right here. All right, let me go to OBS so I can make sure you can see it. So we can either do the high altitude flight computer, this, or we can do the launch computer, which is this. So tell me which one you would like to do. I don't have a preference, so. Okay, so tell me which one you want to do first. Okay, Andrew says Vega, which is the launch computer if you didn't know. Let's see. I have to do both, so if you guys want Vega, we can do it. Okay, the launch computer? Okay. So I actually messed up. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but one of the, it's not the big a deal. It's the silk screen. One of the it's a resistor. It's on a silk screen, please. Oh, I don't really want to do SMD, but I guess gotta do what you gotta do. Okay. Connor, I don't have super chat because I think you have to get to like 1,000 subscribers or something like that to have super chat enabled. Okay. Okay. Time to apply the solder paste. Once again, my least favorite part about doing this, but it has to be done. The flight computer is like a warm-up round. So I'm probably gonna be even worse now. Oh geez. I'm not very good with solder paste. I do not like solder paste, if you couldn't tell already. It makes it easier when you have a stencil, only when you have a stencil. So I'd much rather just be soldering these resistors in the normal soldering iron. Okay, well. I think I have solder wick. I don't know. I don't think I do. Wait. I might, but I haven't used it in like 4 months. So I don't know where it would be. Yeah, that is true though. It's like with a lot of this soldering stuff, it's like fixable, so you can like make a mistake, which is good for me because I make a lot of mistakes in this. But okay, and then these are 2 capacitors up here. This should go a little bit faster than the flight meter. Okay, let me just clean up some of these because I put a little bit too much. Okay, let me go. What are the benefits of the Vega computer? Yeah, I'm actually, I was actually pointing out the script for a Launchpad video, but the Vega computer, so it has 2 pyro channels for the, like firing motors, so you can do like a cluster motor, but you can't do more than 2. That's like one of the big downsides of it. I'll update that though. There's an LED on it, right here, And then there's 5 separate LED outputs for the launch pad itself. So that's, yeah. And then also there's a terminal block for rocket to, or launch pad to rocket communication. So the launch pad can talk to the rocket. Then I have a XT60 switch right here. A switch to command something on the actual launch pad sequence. Then I have this header block right here, which allows you to connect like anything you want. So it's really helpful. So yeah. What mode are you using on your high altitude rocket? Tyler, since I'm not 14 yet, I cannot do high powered, so I'm going to do an F20 for just like a test to launch it like a couple hundred feet in the air to see if like all the parachutes deploy, everything's good. Then I'm gonna launch it on a cluster G25, so 2 reloadable G25s. Okay. So I have to look for my schematic on this to see which resistors I have to use. Where's the Vega? Where is it? It's right. How come I can't find this right now? Did I accidentally delete this? MP6050. What? Am I just really bad at looking? Cannot find it. Oh. Oh, scroll down, that's why. Okay. So if I go to the back, so this, oh geez, this thing is being annoying. So these are the resistors for the pyro channel. It will let me find it. This will be easier. Okay, wait. So the ones that connect directly to the pyro channel, I think. Oh, I can't get this wrong. I have Easy EDA is not very happy right now. Sorry if this is not very exciting, but I have to figure this out. Wait. Okay. Oh no. BR is turning the bot on. So yeah. But where's the button? What was I gonna say? I completely forgot what I was doing. Okay, please let me figure out what these are. Are you serious? This piece is so annoying. I don't know what happened to Easy EDA, but it's all messed up. I need to figure out what resistor this is. Okay, so 2 of them connect to ground. Okay, so I'm just gonna make an educated guess, I guess. Okay. Now I know. So these 2 are ground. Or no, these 2 are 470 ohm. Okay. So let me find my 470 ohm resistors somewhere. in this mess. Over here, I think. 1 ohm and one. Oh, those are 40. Where's the 470? Oh, right here. Hold on. Wait, is the bot working? Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, hey, the 8-bit pineapple. Okay. I'm gonna have to clean my my desk up after this. But yeah. Okay. Let me put these resistors on. Okay, wait. I need to make sure that I get these in the correct place, because I don't want to have to redo this. It's not very fun. Okay. So. Okay, now I know which ones they are. It's this one. And this one. I'm actually planning on open sourcing all of these point meters, or all of these PCBs. So you will be able to make them yourself for your own rockets. Okay. So those, I got those done. Alright, see ya, Eddie. Oh, hey, Yukon. Let me just put these away. Okay, now I need the 1 ohm resistors right here, and these should go in these. Okay, make sure my soldering iron's on, so I'm gonna need that soon. Okay, and putting on the last 2 resistors for the pyro channels. Oops, drop that. 1 resistor, cooperate. Oh geez, I almost just shot a resistor across the room. Okay, that's not what you want to do when you're making PCBs. You don't want to shoot resistors across the room. Fine, put on conversation mode. But it can't spam, okay? That's the only thing. Oh, nice. You're running a TVC rocket too, the 8-bit pineapple? Okay, so those resistors are... Oh wait, I still need some of these, don't I? What day is it? It's... Well, for some people, it's a different day. For me, it's April 8th. So, I don't even remember what day it is. I think it's Wednesday. It might be Thursday for you, though. Okay, so which ones? So, I know... So, LED blue and LED red, or no, LED blue and LED green are 1 ohm resistors. So this one is blue, and okay, so it's these 2. Okay, my desk is so cluttered right now, but I have to use all this stuff. Okay, so these 2. and that. Okay. Well, Eddie, what part of the Omega schematic do you want to see? Like the pyro channels or what? So I can send you just any part, or I can just send you it full, depending on what you want. Okay, there. So Eddie, just tell me what part you want me to send, and I'll send it to you. Oh wait, my schematic is, you can see it on Twitter. Or wait, no you can't. Just tell me what part you need, because it's open, it's gonna be open source, so just tell me what part you need and I'll tell you. So wait, Eddie, are you using Eagle or Easy EDA? If you're using Easy EDA, this is gonna be a lot better, so because I can send you the actual schematic. Like the actual thing. But I don't think I can if you're using Eagle. Okay, wait. Now it's time for the 40 ohm resistor. Well, we're approaching 2 hours. Okay, you're using Eagle, and I'll send you a screenshot when I'm done with the stream. Okay, because it's kind of hard to do when I'm doing the stream. So if you don't mind. KiCad's pretty cool. Okay. Easy EDA, like, I like Easy EDA because the main thing is because it has all the libraries for your parts included, but with just downloading or using the online web browser and like software. But like Eagle, you have to download all of the, or most of the libraries that you need to use for your PCB schematic. So it just helps a lot more in Easy EDA. That's just why I like it. And that it's connected through LCSC and JLC PCB, so it's like one thing. You call it KiCad? I've never called it that. I call it KiCad. Okay. So, resistors are pretty good on there. So now it's time for the capacitors. I'm gonna go back in my schematic so I know which ones go where. So one that's connected to 11 volts is the 10 UF, which is 10 microfarad. I think that's how you pronounce it. Okay, so that top one. So this goes on the bottom. I definitely need to order some more microfarad capacitors. So I only have like 30. Like this is all I have. But I only need one per board, so I should probably just order some just in case. Oh wait, why did I do that? Oh wait. Wait a second. What is this? I don't trust this. I thought I opened this before. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna have to trust it. Wait, that's way too much solder paste, actually. Okay. Okay, that's like super good. That's like the perfect amount of solder. That. Okay. Put this back. And we're almost ready to do the first out of 2 melts. So, what voltage regulator do you have between Omega and Arduino VIN? So, using an Arduino Nano, I think. So oh wait, so it's the same for us actually. So I use, let me check which one. So do you order your parts from LCSU? Because if you do, this is the part. It's C9070. It's just a T0, the package is a T02522. That's the package name. It should still work though, because the only difference is that your servos can be connected straight from the Arduino, and not because mine is Teensy, and mine is 3.3 volts, so that won't work for me. But oh hey JJ Aviation, we're just running the flight computers and launch computers today. Okay, so the 10 microfarad capacitor is, what is it? Let's see. It's 1 ohm resistor. These are voltage regulators. Where did I put it? Put it back. Let's see. Come on. Okay, wait. I have to find these, wherever they went. Those are through hole. These are 3-hole components. Where did my capacitors go? This is annoying. I don't know why I can't find it all of a sudden. Where did I have this part? Is it? Yes, here we go. Okay. Whew. Okay, so BR asks, why not save the cost and effort to have a launch computer and flight computer in one? Well, for me, I guess it's just helpful to have it launch its own thing, because I also have to have a second stage. And because it's easier, because how are you supposed to, like you have to have launch pad lights, right? That's that's the only point of having the launch pad, pretty much. Besides for lighting the motor. So, how are you supposed to have, well, I guess you could have a disconnect launch pad light thing. But, yeah. Just make sure. Okay, everyone. It's time to do the melt. Once again. Okay, are you guys all ready? Can we hear it start up? Okay. It's time to do the melt. Just let it heat up for a second. Okay, we hit the 2-hour mark on the stream. Okay, it's at 300 degrees. Okay, we're doing the melt. Wait, let me make sure you can see this. Wait, put this in here. Does it look better? Okay, yeah, it looks better over here. So I put this in here. Helping hands. Okay. If only if only this webcam would actually focus. I'm going to head out, but I need to message tomorrow about. Okay, just message me or something. Okay, we're doing the melt. See, well, you can see this way. I don't know why, but it's just so satisfying to see SMD components just go right into place. Well, you should be able to see that on the stream. Okay, they're going in. Oh yes, you can definitely see on the stream. Oh wait. One of them is not being very happy. Okay, there we go. It's fixed. Oh geez. Yeah, this one disconnected with the pad. There we go. You just melt all these into place. Yeah, do the capacitors now. These should be a lot easier. Right there and right there. Wait, this one's a little bit. Oh, that's actually fine. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's let it cool down for a second. Okay, it's nothing bad. It's like pad ready mode. I'm just comparing FCs to blurry to see for the grave mistake. I think your way is fine. Now that I think about it, there's no really reason to have a launch computer. I guess it's helpful though, because you can have a launch computer that launches the rocket. So it's like not like one system, so you have more redundancy. So like if your flight computer breaks, everything's broken. But if your launch computer breaks, you just fix it. I guess that's one benefit. Oh hey Francis. Here Francis, do you want to become a mod? Here, some of you guys can become mods. Okay, let's see, is it cool now? It's pretty cool. Okay. Right. Okay, some of you guys can become mods. But not all, because then that defeats the purpose, I guess. Okay. This looks pretty cool. It looks pretty good. I definitely can do a little bit more reflow work on that. But otherwise, it looks pretty decent. Okay. There's a couple more SMD stuff on the top. kind of like this though. Okay, so I like this design because I can, instead of like the flight meter, I can do like one set on the top and one set on the bottom. Okay, so hopefully that's like in view of the camera. Alright. Okay. Okay, time to put on more solder paste. Okay. That's down. It's a little bit too much. I might have to wipe some of that away. Okay, the ground looks pretty good. So take some of this off there. Okay, the LED looks pretty good for that. Okay. What's the other stuff? We also have to do the switch, and then there's that just one lonely resistor for the switch. Okay, so let's do the switch first. Alright, I first have to get solder paste on them and all the pins. Okay, and then let's do the switch now. Okay, I think that's all the solder paste for that. I'm just gonna put the cap on my solder paste real quick because I might not need it for a while. Ooh, I might have to buy my solder paste soon. I'm definitely running a little bit low. Okay. Okay, now it's time to put on the switch. Right now what I'm soldering is I'm getting solder paste on the switch that controls the launchpad computer, so I'll be able to command things like I'll be able to start the launch sequence when I flip the switch and stuff like that. And I'm mostly soldering on the LED. Okay, so here's the switch. This is the same orientation as last time, and I checked last time, so the switch just sits right there. Alright, welcome back to JJ Aviation. Okay. Oh wait, what? What making? Oh, I mixed up the LEDs and toggle switches. I have no idea JJ Aviation, because if I'm wrong, then I'm gonna be wrong. So I'm actually planning to do another flight meter after this, which is, well, this is the launch computer. I want to do this, which is the high altitude flight computer after. So I'm guessing this I could be done in 45 minutes. But yeah. Sure, VR activated. Okay, time to add another LED. Who doesn't like LEDs, like, to be honest, right? Okay, well, I need to make sure this is in the same orientation. So I remember, yeah, this is, it goes like, the other way. No, it goes the other way than that. It goes like that. Just make sure. Look at that real quick. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay. Last thing before we do the second or the last melt on this PCB at least, is we have to get, I think that's a, oh, shoot, wait. Oof, I might have forgot something that I needed to order. Boy, this might be bad. I might not be able to put that on. Let me see. 1 year. Oh no! Yes, I forgot it. Okay, so I needed to buy hold down resistors because that's a hold down resistor. So I guess I'll just heat it up and then I'll just re-put it on and heat it up again when I'm ready to do second melt. Okay. Okay, well, we're ready to do another mount, so just put this back. I mean, make sure you guys can see. Hello! Okay, wait. Oh, Jesus. Heat gun's hot right now. Okay. Okay. Let's heat these boys up. Perfect. Okay, let's switch. Jeez, the rest of that surface does not want to mount. Just kind of sitting there. Not what I want. Because that would probably bridge all those the connections for the pins. Come on. Oh, jeez. No. Guys, this is really bad. Ah. I melted the switch. No. I guess it's not too bad, but I definitely need some F's in the chat, so you have to put the F in the chat, because I melted my switch, which is not what you normally want to do, is it? Yeah, the switch, the part that you flip with the switch, completely melted. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna have to reflow it to get the switch off. Okay, that's pretty simple. Okay, I got the switch off. That's bad. Oh geez, I can't even pick it up because it's like melting in my hand. But you can see that the top of it right there is pretty melted. Oh geez, I can't even pick this thing up. Into the trash. Because that's just the part that I found. I guess there's no reason not to. How much longer will you stream? I thought I already answered that. I guess I'll probably stream for at least another hour. I'll stream for at least another hour, probably. Oh no, I dropped the switch. No, I need it. Where is it? Oh, it's all the way back there. Okay, be back in a minute. Or be back in like 10 seconds, I mean. Okay. Hopefully, this time, we don't melt the switch. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Okay, see ya, JJ Aviation. Okay, now I'm actually gonna reapply a tiny bit of solder paste. So we just put some more on. Yep, hopefully I'll just stick a little bit better. Okay. You got some more solder paste. Hopefully this time I don't mess this thing up and we're actually able to make it nice. Okay, that's like sitting on all the pads. Okay, let's do the melt. Again, because I broke it last time. Okay, that side. Good. Other side. Oops, I might have hit the camera. Okay. Hopefully it's still strong though. Hope it's still strong. Jeez, it's hot. Oh my god. What have I done? No. This is not good. I might have to abandon this board. Might have to. Because this is not what you want to see. I bridged some of these connections too. Okay, cool down now. Oof. Yeah, that's not good. I'm gonna see if I can unbridge some of these connections. I need to make sure I don't melt another switch. Sorry, I can't really see it that well. I'm just trying to make sure. I know, Francis. I have to use the heat gun. There has to be a way to get it on. I guess I could solder it normally. I'm just annoyed because it was fine. And then, well, I use the heat gun on the switch, and Joe Bernard uses the heat gun on the switch. So, I don't know. But it was fine, and then I touched it to see if it was cool and it moved. That's why I bridged it all. Okay. Now, if I leave it alone once I heat it up, should be fine. Heat up these pads just to make sure. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna let it cool down, and then I'll touch it once it's cool. Oh, I think Joe Bernard does. I'm pretty sure he uses this switch, doesn't he? I think he does. Oh wait, I can actually make him do this right here. Where did that thing go that I was using? Here. So these are things I don't need actually. Okay, that's one, the other. Okay, so I have this Bluetooth thing. Wait, let me see this. Okay, the switch is actually good. So this thing is actually gonna sit. Let's see, RX, and then yeah, it's gonna sit like this. Come on, sit down. Oh, there's a little bit of solder on it actually. For some reason, I've never even soldered this thing. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Now it should fit. There we go. So this is a Bluetooth module actually, which I think is pretty cool. It just sits on the board like this, and I'll have to solder it out. But I guess I could put on music. I'm gonna have to do an intermission though, because let me think. How do I do music? Oh. Okay. I don't think I have every astronaut. So if you want every astronaut, you're kind of out of luck. But let me see. So if I go into OBS, add a media source, or wait, I want audio input.
No, wait. How do I do this? How do I do that? Audio output maybe? No. Oh jeez, I might be going crazy right now.
Okay. So, how do you do music in OBS? Let me try this. Oh wait, might just be able to put an MP3 file in here. Music, wait. What song is it? Okay. Okay, tell me if you can hear it. First of all, I don't have revenue. Yeah, first of all, I don't have revenue. And Every Astronaut songs are reality free, aren't they? Okay, you can hear it actually. This is the only song I have by him, so this is what you guys get. Oh no. Okay. The switch was kind of broken for a second there. Okay. Might have just melted to the metal part, but I freed it. Reality free, yeah. Lol. LOL. I don't know how you pronounce that, but yeah, I know what you mean. And like I don't even make any money, to be honest. I don't make any money from YouTube, so. Yes, Connor, you've already told me that. So have I. Connor, I've already met him too. Wait. Oh, I just don't want to do through-hole. I hate through-hole stuff. It's just annoying. I guess I have to do it, so. Has to be done. I might have to make this easier for myself. Oh wait, I might be able to use the locking thing that terminal blocks have. They slide in and lock with each other. So yeah, I'm gonna try that real quick. So this one would go. Oh wait, that's why. Never mind. Tell me if the music is too loud or something. I don't actually know what it sounds like. Jeez. Okay, let's just slide right in to there. Did I spec this well? Oh no, I didn't. Oof. Get an F in the chat. I guess I can do 3. I probably can't do that 5 one up there. Oh wait, there we go. Actually, that actually might work. Might work, I mean. Okay, it's perfect. And it kind of holds itself in. That's kind of cool. Okay. Time for soldering. Solder these boys up. Oh, I need more solder. I didn't have that. What kind of solder do you guys use? Or like what size solder I mean do you guys use? I use let me check. I use 0.6 millimeter solder. I like this solder because it's super small. But also doesn't have that much, so it's like a balance between how much you use and how like easy you can get in like small spaces. Wait, are you actually serious if you are? I guess I could use a heat gun. I actually kinda wanna try that. Yeah, I'm trying it. If you were being sarcastic, I'm sorry because I'm trying it. Use 0.8. So yeah, mine's like small compared to what you guys use. Oh, you're being sarcastic. No, in that case, I'm still doing it, so. I just want to try it. I have to try it. That's something that I have to do. In life, I'll be looking back at this moment when I used a heat gun for terminal blocks. And I'll remember. Okay. Time for solder paste. This is weird. I didn't even know that was your account thing. Your account like bio. Or no, it's your pin tweet. That's what I didn't know. But putting solder paste in. I am putting it in. This is so weird looking. Seeing solder paste going in through whole stuff, but it's cool. This is probably so expensive though. The solder paste is a lot more expensive than just normal solder. Okay. Oh, I better not melt the terminal blocks on the other side. Hopefully I don't. Oh, jeez. This is a bad idea. No. All of this solder paste is just leaking out the sides. Has to work, though. It has to. Sorry. I don't know how you can see this, but it does not look pretty. All I can say is that. I might have to do two. I have to do more because I only got it on one side. Okay. This is such a bad idea. Why did I do this? 12 out of 10 content. Jet engine engage. Oh, I need to make sure that I'm not melting the terminal blocks. Oh. Crap. Yeah. The arm? This is a really bad idea. No, why did I do that? Now I've ruined those terminal blocks. Ooh. And I almost ruined the PCB pads because I melted the pad. So, this is a lesson that you can take from this. The lesson is, do not use solder paste with 3-hole components. That's the lesson. Yeah. Well, terminal blocks aren't that expensive. I got, like, for $5 I got a pack of like 60. But I'm running out actually because I bought so many. Oh, jeez. This was such a bad idea. No. It's not. Has to work. I have to get it. My gosh, solder paste smells so bad. And you heat up a ton of it with the soldering iron. Why does this have to not work? Oh, jeez. I'm at the point where I kind of want to abandon this board. I don't know if you can see, but where the pads are that the terminal blocks are supposed to go through, they're completely solid metal now. There's like no chance that I'm getting it through, but I have to at least try to save it. I can use the heat gun. It might just cause myself more trouble though. Ah, jeez, it's hot. We didn't know heat guns are hot. Come on, just let me push it in. I do want to abandon it though. Like, it's true. Because I messed up on the switch. I messed up on the switch. And I messed up on the terminal block. Because someone told me to do solder paste. Oh, hey, Andrew. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna abandon this. I'm more. Okay, time for the other flight computer because I'm too lazy to make another one of these. Into the trash. Okay, flight computer. Oh, so Andrew, BOR told me to use solder paste on the through hole, the normal through hole stuff, and you did. Yeah, that is true. It's not your fault. It's actually gravity's fault, because that's the reason why the terminal box came out of their like pads. So it's gravity. Okay. Oh, I actually had 2 terminal blocks left, so only 2. But that should be. Oh no, it's not. Never mind. Yeah, no. Okay, time for the solder paste. Oh, I messed up the silk screen on this a little bit, but it looks cool. So. This might be the cleanest board I've ever built, because I don't know why, but I'm able to just like nicely spread the solder. And I've never been able to do that like that, but anyway. I'm not so sure about that. VR. It kind of sounds like a fun idea, but not when it's my Teensy that's cost $30. I'm not doing that for $30. I'll do that for like a 10-cent terminal block, but definitely not for $30. Okay, I also need. Okay, this one is gonna be one big melt, one large melt. Okay. Okay, it's time to put the components on and do the melt. Don't say you're considering it. Well, I'm not considering it because I don't have a Teensy that. Well, I have a Teensy, but I'm not doing it on that one, especially. That Teensy's been a lot. It's a good Teensy. It's been helping me. Yes, I use black powder. Oh, hello! What was I thinking? Wait, what just happened? No, I'm not. I'm not playing the crowd room when I'm doing the melt. That's not true. Or when I say I'm doing the melt. VR, remember when we had a group chat on Twitter that was called, like, Lobsters? Back in the old days? Okay, that switch is going on. You have to be careful because now I know that switches don't like heat. Okay. Yeah, the lobster thing. Okay. Now I'm doing that LED. Straight rip-off. Yes, that is very true. Okay, so this is ground right here. So it goes like that. Okay. So this message is held for review. Because you just spammed lobsters. I guess they don't. YouTube does not like lobsters. Lobster discrimination. Okay, let me look at the, where is it? Gamma avionics. That's C. 1 ohm, 40 ohm, and 1 ohm. Alright. So this is capacitor. Oh wait, that's why it felt so easy when I was doing this. So I forgot about the capacitors. Oh geez, I put way too much on here. Yeah, that's like as much as I used on the voltage regulator. Okay. So I'll just like get rid of that. Okay. So 40.2 ohm resistor. I'm not so sure about that VR. Like on the terminal box, it was a fun idea. Now it's like an okay idea. But, okay. There and sit on the board. Come on, resistor. Sit on the board. It should, in theory. Well, maybe in your theory. According to ancient scriptures, you put solder paste on buzzers and do them out, it will work. Okay, finally I got that one on. Okay, wait. So I got the 40 ohm resistors. Okay. Now I have to do the 1 ohm resistors. Wait, let me find this. Is this it? Right here? That's 470 ohm. Wait, I still need these though, so I'll keep those out. These are the 40 ohm. These are the 1 ohm right here. Crap rave starts building in the background. Very slowly. You just hear it come up to full volume. Okay, wait, I need 4 of these. Let me see my schematic. So that's 1 ohm. So that means that this okay. And then there's some down here too. Sorry if I'm not reading the chat right now. I'm trying to focus on getting these done. This board nearly complete. Oh my gosh, this resistor won't flip over. No matter what I do. So it's only one direction resistor. Come on. Okay, there we go. Okay, and this goes right. Perfect. Okay. Look at the chat. Breaking news, if we cover everything in the board in solder paste, it will work. I'm not so sure that's breaking news. Oh yeah, it is actually breaking news. Literally and figuratively, it's breaking news. My gosh, these resistors do not want to go into the bag. Okay, there we go. Now it should fit a lot better. Yeah. I remember when I used to use those 3-hole resistors. Oof, those were just like beautiful to use. It was like a pleasure to use them. Like it wasn't like annoying at all. Okay, time for capacitors, I guess. Look at my schematic. Okay, so the 10 UF is on the top. To there. Okay, and this is gonna go right here. Okay. And let's do now the 1 microfarad capacitors, which are somewhere over here. Okay, so okay. So the 1 UF capacitor now. And we're almost ready to do the melt once again. For the 5th time today, we're doing the melt. I have to decrease the temperature so I don't ruin the switch. Okay. So 2 more things. I need some 470 ohm resistors and the voltage regulator. Then we can do the melt. Yeah, 3-hole resistors are a lot better. Okay, so I think, yeah, I did the 1 ohm resistor, so I have to do the 470 now. 2 of these. Okay. Okay, this is, I think, officially my longest live stream that I've ever done. I think it's pretty cool. Okay. And now I'm done with the resistors. Yes, finally. Oh, hey, Yukon. You're back. Okay. So I just finished with the resistors for this. Now, I am gonna get the voltage regulator. Okay, like that. And here. Okay, the last thing Well, no, I'm probably gonna end the stream at like probably 30 minutes. But so I finished all I can of the flight computer right here. This is pretty much done. The launch computer, it has had an eventful life. That's all I should say. But now I'm working on the other computer. Wait, where's the voltage regulator? Oh, here. Now I'm working on the other flight computer for the Horizon rocket. I like this flight computer a lot because it can fit in 54mm airframes too. Okay, the last part. Okay, are you guys all ready to do the melt? It's time. It's melt time. Put in the chat if you want to do the melt. Oh wait, jeez. Okay, we're doing the melt, everyone. I don't know what you can see. Wait, let me move it up so you can see it better. There we go. Oh geez. Resistor is not liking doing the melt very much. Jet engine at idle. Full thrust. Come on. Let's turn it up a little bit. Full thrust. Yeet. Okay, wait. Come on. Reflow. Oh, there we go. No, it's starting. Wait. This one's a little bit off. Okay, now it's time for the LED. Come on. Yes, I'm teasing it. Okay, I'm gonna do the voltage regulator now. Oh, I might have had the air a little bit too hot. Something happened to the white one. Yes, something did happen. Come on. It was doing a lot better before. Does not want to reflow all that solder paste. Yeah, I'm a little bit too generous too, to be honest. Like, you want like barely anything. Okay. Okay, a couple more. Oh, jeez, that's hot. Oof. Probably shouldn't have touched exactly when I was holding the thing. But, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna turn up the air a bit. Okay. Oh, jeez. This is not very good. This is not good. Wait. I have to pause them out. My mat, my ESD mat. It's like, it has a bubble now. Wait, so Yukon, you want me to have the heat come from underneath it? Yes. Surprised. Okay, I can pick it up without burning my fingers off. Just put it in this. So, do you want me to just heat it from underneath it? Because I can just do that. Well, I don't know. I need to, oh, this resistor is a little bit. Okay. No. Oh! How much does, SMD ovens cost? Because they don't cost that much. That's actually pretty cool. I might just get one. I'm guessing they probably cost a ton, though. Like most things in soldering. Okay. Wait, let me just make it a little bit taller. Okay. So to heat it from underneath, I guess. Now I'm gonna bring it back down and do the rest. Yeah, I guess I can make one. Yeah, most heating things are just simple PID controllers, so. Oh, jeez! Oh my gosh, I need to think before I just do that next time. Yeah, once again, I should think. Oof. Okay, use the tweezers. There we go. Right, let's see. So, I think these switches are so annoying. This thing is so annoying. It won't. Keeps bridging it. Okay, good thing the switch actually works. Okay. Yeah, one time I had boiling water and I was like doing this experiment thing, and the glass thing that was holding the water shattered, and all the boiling water poured on my hand. So that was not like a very good day. I'm gonna do a little bit more heat gun. Okay. Wait, I should really get this. I should definitely get this thing on. Let's see. I thought I really had the little mounting cover for the air gun. There's screws in here or something? Wait. Ugh. I guess I could just use a screw and get a washer with. Or, a nut. Or it might just be enough to have like a friction fit on it. Oh jeez. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try that. Works pretty well. That should at least work for this. Oh, that works so much better. Okay, there. Just fixing up this so it should be a little bit better. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna add a little bit more just to make these safe. Turn up the heat a little bit. Okay. Okay, so put the board back in your guys' view so you can see it. Oh my gosh. There we go. That's pretty cool. It's just like a potentiometer. I don't see it, VR. Because normally when it's flagged... Oh. Oh, there we go. Okay. There's the Discord. It's a pretty nice PCB there. I guess I can do a little more soldering. I have to go in like 20 minutes. But I guess we can do a little bit more. Okay. So let's put on the terminal blocks. What is wrong with this terminal block? This terminal block, it's like messed up right here. Manufacturer does not use quality control, I guess. Jeez, what's wrong with this one? Well, my desk is so warm now from doing that. Unsurprisingly. What rocket do you want to see? Andrew, what rocket do you want to see? Because I guess I can show you. Rocket. Are you talking about the Horizon one? The one that I built on the last stream? Oh, this terminal block sucks. Because if you are, then I can get that one. Crap, what is wrong with this thing? Okay. Oh wait. ATVC one. Wait, let me go. Wait, how do I show you? Wait, the camera's like above my desk. Here, I can just put the rocket above my desk, I guess. Here, wait, let me go to OBS so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. This is it. The top and the bottom. It's not that much, there's not that much to it, but then, I don't know if you can see, but there's the motor in there. There it is. There's the motor. And then here's a TVC if you want to see a TVC, because the rocket's not complete, but here is a TVC mount. There we go. This is my TVC mount. It looks funny because the motor is actually sticking at the top. Yeah. And then it just moves with the servos. But yeah, that's what that is. So the parachute. I don't have a parachute for it. I don't know what parachute you're talking about, but PCA. Omega doesn't need a screen because it's simple. All it does is PID. There's no point of having a screen. Well, I have a parachute, but that's on my lander. And it's like, no, I don't have a parachute. I'm not launching it yet. I physically have not bought a parachute for it. It's not that I'm gonna launch it without a parachute. Yeah, I'm gonna buy one. I'm gonna get like one from whatever it's called. Bama Shoots. Okay, terminal block time. Concerned Rocketeers against parachutes. Okay. Terminal block wired. I'm actually off of schoolwork this week. I don't know why. But yeah, so rockets. Now I'm gonna do rockets daily, which benefit. I would not be able to do this right now if I had schoolwork. Okay. I should definitely get a soldering fan so I'm not inhaling all of these solder fumes for 3 hours straight. This is a perfect time to plug the Patreon. If you want me to get a soldering fan, donate on Patreon. And I'll get a soldering fan. So yeah. Yeah. I know it is. I'm gonna replace the tip soon. I've used it for like 4 months. But yeah, I have to replace that. Here, wait, let me get one. I like that one though, the one I have, because it's fine. Let's see. Actually, no, I'm not gonna replace it right now. Because then I have to let it cool down. Okay. I have to go in a couple minutes, so let me finish this up. It's a little bit weird looking, so let me just fix that real quick. There we go. There. Okay. What else should I do now? I'm gonna start on the header. Andrew, there's many people that have landed rockets and parachutes. I've seen so many people that think they just drop their rocket from like 3 feet in the air, and then when it lands, they think it's the world's first rocket landing. It's so annoying because I get spammed with it. Okay, we'll all have a challenge. Everyone in the chat. How come I thought that was weird? But alright, everyone in the chat is gonna try to be the first one. Okay? We're all trying. It's a competition. It's a competition for the parachutes. Well, I probably shouldn't have soldered that one too. Yeah, it's fine. Game on, okay. Wait. Is the rules? Do you have to have a motor in it? Like a full flight, or can you just throw it up in the air and have it land back in its landing legs? Because technically... Oh, sorry. Sorry, I didn't see your message. For the micrometer, I use a 3S LiPo 11.1 volts. So, I don't know. I don't know. I honestly don't think it's that hard to land it, so. Game on. Okay. Soldered the header. That's soldered up. Okay. Wait, that's the rule. It has to hit terminal velocity. That is the rule. Where'd my MOSFETs go? Wait. Actually, I'm gonna do the buzzer right now. No, I don't have the buzzer. No, that was the last one I thought, wasn't it? How many did I buy? I thought I bought 5. Right. That was the last one. Let me see. What? Take the buzzer. Okay, guys, I have to go actually right now. I know, it's fast. Okay, I have to go, so I'll see you all next stream. Okay? Bye.